C3 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1977 model year Chevrolet Corvette. Numbers matching, 350, small block Chev underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia, you can see the nose cone, and looks like it's in pretty nice shape down here. I did notice a couple little touch-up spots up on the edge of that hood and a little spot on the kind of edge of that headlight. Otherwise, you can see the paint has a nice luster to it. Has had a repaint to red, smoke gray cloth interior. We'll check that out in a little bit. First of all, still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Just riding on a slotted wheel. Center caps, beauty rings, Goodyear Eagle GT radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car is actually coming out of long-term ownership. Consignor of this vehicle has had this car for 27 years. Kind of was their Sunday driver and fun car. Just got to the point where they weren't enjoying it enough and decided it was time to give somebody else the opportunity to purchase it and enjoy it like they had. So center console, cloth bucket seats. Appears it could be original interior. So we look from the rear to the front. There was a couple spots here I wanted to show you, and it's pretty common on this body style. You get a few of those chips right in front of the wheel well. Luggage rack. Of course, we have the T-tops out. And in the still pictures, you'll be able to see the T-tops in, T-tops out. They're right there behind us in good shape. Also, the storage bags do come with them. Dual exhaust. A few notes from the technician on this one. Took a look at it in our service department, stated it brakes straight. Brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear, all-wheel disc brakes. Very minor valve cover seat, he stated. Has new plug wires, new heater core, new headlight actuators. We're going to try those out in just a little bit. And new high beams. There you go. Also a 4-barrel quadrajet on it. And all those still pics can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Corvettes, no matter what series or model year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right up our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So we have tilt column and telescopic wheels, so tilt and telescoping wheel, if we really want to get technical. And here's what I was talking about. This appears that it could be the original smoke gray cloth interior. A little bit of wear in this bolster, which you'd kind of expect. Odometer, I believe, was in the 70,000 range. And again, that very easily could be original miles. Unfortunately, once the vehicle's a certain age, it's marked exempt on the title. So unless I have paperwork, I just always try to kind of side on the caution and let you know. Do I think it could easily be 70,000? Absolutely. It would look like that a lot more than 170,000. Let's put it that way, judging by those seats. And those do appear to be original. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, there you can see 70,314 is what the odometer reads. Let's come over here. Oil pressure. Clock is not working. Water temp starting to come up. Fuel gauge and volts. And there's a stereo I was talking about. Power's up. I have not had it produce sound. Little separation from the glove box to the dash or glove envelope. You Corvette experts out there, what did they call that back in the day? That functioned as a glove box. How about that? All right, let's listen. Again, numbers matching. 350, small block Chevy. Let's take a look underneath the hood of this. So AGI ignition does have a new master cylinder. Looks like a little newer alternator also. New AC compressor. It sounds like there's more AC components that were new also and installed by the previous owner. Pretty smooth runner. This is one of those vets you can get without breaking the bank. Enjoy your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just going to go ahead and lower that so we can check out the headlights on this. A little slower, which is kind of typical. You're going to see that they're going to come up. Just takes a little bit of time. Passenger side and driver's side. So the headlights working. Like I said, just a little slower, vacuum operated yet. 1977 Chevrolet Coupe. Good looking T-top car. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a bright red 1977 Chevrolet Corvette. I've got T-tops over my head, which you definitely want to have on a Corvette in my opinion. The wipers work. The blower motor also moves air. The turn signals are working. This car has a nice rumble to it. It's an automatic right here on the center console. Very nice throttle response, nice firm shifts on the automatic transmission, and acceleration is good. Water temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge. That's approximately 160, still coming up, I presume. The oil pressure is showing 60 psi. That's very good. The volts are over 14, and the fuel tank showing a little over half of the tank. There is a clock over here. Power windows both working. Comfortable bucket seats with cloth in the center of the seat, so you're not going to stick to that seat. It's not vinyl or leather. In my opinion, it's even better. That gray interior really looks good. The gray contrast in the black. I don't see that often. Now the steering wheel is canted slightly to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Brakes are working well. Brakes smoothly and straight. Power steering, making it easy to take the corner. And the corner's the way a Corvette should. Nice and flat. There's the kick down on the automatic transmission. Very nice Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1977 Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.